Hey, what is up, everyone? It is me, Jacob Morgan, and I'm about to do another video called Angel with a Shotgun, and it's a Nightcore version. This song's pretty cool. I like this song. I hope you guys do. Please like and subscribe at the end, and let's do this. I'm an angel with a shotgun, 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 angel with a shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. Get out your guns, the battle's begun. Are you a saint or a sinner? If I shall fight, then I shall die, with my heart on the trigger. Before you start a war, you better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you're all that I adore. This love is what you need, a soldier I will be. I'm an angel with a shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep you safe. You're everything I have, and I wanna live, not just survive. Tonight, win, sometimes it's sin, and you're not a believer. And only time we'll sing along, when you say I'm a dreamer. Before you start a war, you better know what you're fighting for. Baby, you're all that I adore. This love is what you need, a soldier. I'm an angel with a shotgun, fight till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep you safe. Let you know you're everything I have. And I wanna live, not just survive tonight. With a shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'm an angel with a shotgun, fighting till the war's won. I don't care if heaven won't take me back. I'll throw away my faith, babe, just to keep you safe. Don't you know you're everything I have? I wanna live, not just survive. And I gotta hide my wings tonight. You better know what you're fighting for. Well, baby, you know that I adore. If that is what you need, a soldier I will be. Thanks for watching, and there's going to be 2 more videos tonight, or later on in the day. But yeah, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. I forgot to say that, but thank you.